Hello, this is Harry J from Mass Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus to Wi-Fi or reset up your Wi-Fi to your phone. It's very basic tutorial for the beginner. You have Samsung Galaxy S20. For this, you have to slide from up. Here you see this Wi-Fi antenna. Now at the moment this is off. I hit this to turn on. Okay, it's on now. You can hold this one. It will take you to the Wi-Fi setup directly. Here you see I have all the Wi-Fi available. For example, I hit this one. In this case, only have to put your password and then you have to hit connect button. I'm already connected with this Wi-Fi. This is my home Wi-Fi. As you see, connected. Okay, it's very simple. Or reconnected you can do as this. Forget. So I forget this Wi-Fi. I'm sliding down. Sorry, all the way. Hold this one. As you see, hit this one. Then you have to put password. I'm gonna put password and I'll be back. Okay, I put the password. Now I'm gonna hit connect. Save, connect. Now it's connected properly. I hit home button. Let me open, for example, YouTube. Here we go. And I'm gonna put any random video. For example, sorry, it crashed. I don't know what the hell is happened. Okay, a random video. Okay, this one, La Isla Bonita.
19 millions d'albums vendus dans le monde. Ce soir, c'est la Isla Lolita qui nous offre une nouvelle version de cet air latino. La Isla, c'est presque un anagramme de son nom. C'est
so the internet is working properly fine. This is very basic tutorial. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.